In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 budget to best air fryers of 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 budget to best air fryers of 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL 8 QD Clear Cook Air Fryer, 8-in-1, Clear Cook Window, Custom Programming, Air Fry, Roast, Broil, Bake and Dehydrate. 0.8 quart XL capacity. Large capacity is ideal for preparing family-sized meals and larger portions. Clear Cook Window built-in clear viewing window lets you monitor food without repeatedly opening the basket. 8-in-1 functionality supports air frying, broiling, roasting, baking, reheating, dehydrating, and other versatile cooking functions. Crisping technology designed to produce crispy results with convenient countertop cooking. Custom programming allows you to customize cooking settings for different recipes and preferences. Large cooking basket provides plenty of room for larger portions and everyday family meals. Easy countertop cooking, convenient alternative to using a full-size oven. Number 2, COSORI TurboBlaze 6 QT Air Fryer, 9-in-1, PFAS-free ceramic coating, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 fan speeds, 1725W, air fry, roast, bake and reheat. 0.6 quart capacity provides a practical size for everyday family meals and larger portions. 9-in-1 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. TurboBlaze technology designed for powerful airflow and efficient cooking performance. 90 degree for 50 degree F temperature range. Wide temperature range provides flexibility for different recipes and cooking styles. 0.5 fan speed. Number 3, Ninja Crispi Pro Glass Air Fryer 6-in-1, 6 QT and 2.5 QT glass containers. Max Crisp, air fry, bake, roast, recrisp and dehydrate. 1800W. 0.6-in-1 cooking functions: Max Crisp, air fry, bake, roast, recrisp and dehydrate for versatile everyday cooking. Glass air fryer containers include 6 quart and 2.5 quart containers for flexible meal sizes and food preparation. Max Crisp function designed for high heat cooking to help create crispy results. 1800W power provides strong heating performance for efficient countertop cooking, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4, Typhur Dome 2 Large AI Smart Air Fryer, 15-in-1, dual heating, self-cleaning, PFAS-free ceramic basket, 12-inch pizza and steaks. Silver. 15-in-1 cooking functions offers multiple cooking modes for air frying, roasting, baking, and other everyday recipes. AI Smart Cooking intelligent cooking features are designed to help simplify food preparation and optimize cooking results. Dual top and bottom heating uses heating elements above and below the food for more even cooking. Large cooking capacity designed to accommodate a 12-inch pizza or steaks, making it suitable for larger meals. Self-cleaning function built-in cleaning capability helps make post-cooking maintenance more convenient. PFAS-free ceramic basket features a ceramic cooking basket designed for convenient food preparation. Whisper quiet operation designed to operate quietly for a more comfortable kitchen environment. Dishwasher safe components. Compatible components can be placed in the dishwasher for easier cleanup. Silver finish. Modern silver styling complements contemporary kitchen appliances. 120V operation designed for use with compatible 120V household electrical systems. The Typhur Dome 2 Large AI Smart Air Fryer combines smart cooking technology, dual heating, and a large cooking capacity in a premium countertop appliance. Its 15-in-1 functionality provides multiple ways to prepare everyday meals, while the AI Smart Cooking features are designed to make cooking more convenient. Unlike traditional air fryers that primarily heat from above, the Dome 2 uses top and bottom heating elements to help provide more consistent cooking. Its large capacity can accommodate a 12-inch pizza or steaks, making it suitable for family meals and larger portions. The PFAS-free ceramic basket provides a convenient cooking surface, while the self-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe components help simplify cleanup. With whisper quiet operation, a modern silver finish, and 120V compatibility, the Typhur Dome 2 is designed for home cooks looking for a large, versatile, and smart countertop air fryer. Number 5. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS, 13-in-1 Countertop Convection Oven and Air Fryer, Brushed Stainless Steel. Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro combines air frying with versatile countertop oven functionality. 13 cooking functions designed for a wide variety of cooking tasks, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and more. Super convection cooking uses powerful convection airflow to help cook food efficiently and evenly. Air fry and dehydrate, convenient for preparing crispy foods and dehydrating ingredients. Large capacity, spacious interior accommodates larger meals and multiple cooking tasks. Smart cooking technology automatically adjusts cooking conditions to help deliver consistent results. LCD display and controls, easy to read controls make selecting cooking functions and settings convenient. Brushed stainless steel finish. Premium stainless steel design complements modern kitchens. Countertop convenience provides many oven-style functions without requiring a full-size conventional oven. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900 BSS combines the functionality of a countertop convection oven with an air fryer and multiple cooking modes. Its versatile design makes it suitable for preparing everything from crispy air-fried foods to baked goods, roasted meals, and dehydrated ingredients. The oven's super convection cooking system circulates heated air around the food to help promote efficient and even cooking. Its spacious interior provides flexibility for preparing larger meals, while the smart cooking controls help simplify the cooking process. With its 13-in-1 functionality, smart controls, air frying capability, and brushed stainless steel finish, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a versatile countertop appliance for home cooks who want to replace multiple kitchen appliances with one multifunctional oven.